For many users, it has always been a challenge that they were not able to use SelectorsHub tools because Chrome extensions are blocked or Chrome Store is blocked in their company network, or maybe in many countries Chrome Store is blocked, so they are not able to access the extensions or not able to install extensions. So now we have solved that. We have made all our extensions available offline, so you can install them directly without opening Chrome Store. Let me show you how. So for an example, let's say you want to download the SelectorsHub or you want to install it. So just open SelectorsHub here, product page, and you will find this download offline build. Click on this. It will give you this download offline build. So you just have to click on this button here. It will download the offline build here. Now you can follow these steps which are mentioned, this 5-6 steps here. After downloading this file, go to download folder and extract this file. You can right click and extract all, or if you are on Mac, you just double click on this and it will extract here. Now you have to open this Chrome:/extension this into the new tab here like this, and here you have to turn on this developer mode. Turn on this, and like it says turn on developer mode, so we have turned on that developer mode. You see that it will be on the right top corner. Make sure that you turn on this toggle here, and then click on load unpacked extension. So you will find this load unpacked button here in extension tab, this one. Click on this and select this folder which you have just extracted, SelectorsHub_products_chromium, and select, and you will notice that SelectorsHub has been installed, and now it says pin it and start inspecting. So you will have to click on this default extension logo here and pin SelectorsHub, and you will find it here. Now if you open any tab, like let's say SelectorsHub.com here, click on SelectorsHub logo and you will be able to start using SelectorsHub here. Similarly, if you want to install any other extension, like let's say you want to install Test Case Studio, so you just go and open Test Case Studio here and click on download offline build. Click, and here you will find the download button and the steps to follow to install Test Case Studio. Similarly, you can find for all of them like check my links, page load timer, auto data filler, exploratory tester, screenshot with URL here, so you can use this as well. So all the tools under SelectorsHub you can now install offline. Let's say like screenshot with URL you want, download offline build, and here you will find it. So it's very easy now. If you are in a banking network, or if you are in any enterprise company, or anywhere where Chrome Store is not allowed to open, or you want to install for some reason offline build in your Chrome browser or any Chromium based browser, you can download the offline build from SelectorsHub website. Just open respective product page and you can download and use it. Do let us know if you face any issue. You can always reach out to us here on the live chat, or you can write to us on support@selectorshub.com if you face any issue. If you are using the pro version, you can also install the pro version offline here. For Test Case Studio Pro, it is available here. For SelectorsHub Pro also it is available like that, so you can install and use it. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.